Hi, Tony Bear, LAX, swatting. I was doing something new today. I was getting planes landing at LAX by In and Out, and I had my scanner going, and someone had called in and said there was a guy pointing his laser to the airplanes, and the call was unlisted, unidentified. So the cops came in numbers, and I knew they were coming for me because it was just too much a coincidence. I was live streaming. It probably came from somebody's fans that don't like Tony VERA, but the LAX airport police handled it really well. Swatting, here it is, folks. First time for me. Here's the video.
Oh wow! I think somebody called the cops on these folks. They're saying I'm putting a laser at the airplane. I think they're calling. Somebody called on me. I think the cops coming. Cause I heard in and out laser. So I bet you somebody's lying and saying that I'm doing a laser to the airplanes. So the cops are definitely coming for me. Isn't it amazing? I'm live streaming planes. Yeah, somebody call the cops on me, man. Somebody call anonymous, and the guy is putting a laser. So the cops are coming. They're right there. There you go. Can you believe that? I knew somebody would call the cops. So the cops are going to come over here and talk to me. It's all right. It's not a laser. Let's go over there and talk to them. Let's go talk to the cops. Wow. Amazing. That's unbelievable. Okay. Okay, let's see. That's hysterical. It's got to be me.
Okay.
It's got to be me.
But
No, really.
But I know it wouldn't be you.
No, I'm doing a live stream when the plane's landing.
Yeah.
But I heard on the scanner, they said male black pointing a laser at the airplanes.
Yeah.
And I'm live streaming, and the call came in as anonymous.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the scanner going.
Yeah.
But
you know.
you
You haven't seen anything out here, right?
No, I'm out here live streaming.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm doing the airplanes landing.
Okay.
It had to be me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I would. You're not pointing any lasers.
You can look at my live stream and see that I'm just doing something different right now. I'm doing that's totally legal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm on the public property. Look.
Yeah. Gotcha.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But maybe somebody thought I was you know what I mean?
Okay.
It was funny because I was telling my viewers I should go find the guy that's doing the laser, and then I heard In and Out. I said it's got to be me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Well, or someone thought it was you after the fact, but
so
we're just looking around.
Oh, no, it's okay. This is LAX airport. They gotta come, folks. They gotta come when somebody calls. But yeah, but just go to my live stream. You can see.
Cool.
You know. I told you, people. I told you. Yeah, they're still talking. They gotta come when they call. That's hysterical, man. Uh-oh. Another plane coming. Okay. I think it was standing. Who was standing? Who was standing? I think over here. They're standing over here. But I know all the cops, you know.